Yes, we're working always with all the best. Happy? Yeah! Okay. I have my little actress. What's your name?
Annabelle Mailer.
Annabelle Miller. So are you excited about acting? So I know you are a singer.
Yes.
So we're going to work together. I'm going to write something amazing for you. Are you excited?
Yes.
So she knows how to
ride horses.
Huh? You want me to put that in the movie as well?
Yes.
Okay.
And we want her mother also on the
You sing
horse.
as well?
Yes.
And we want her mother on the
Say hello
horse.
to everyone. Okay, so she's coming soon.
We want her mother on the horse.
What's your name?
Non, mais on doit donner la bonne nouvelle.
Bien sûr.
On a trouvé la salle.
C'est ce qu'on a bien sûr. On se met ensemble, on travaille sur beaucoup. We're working on so many. Yes. She speaks French and
Très bonne salle.
yes. So are you excited about what's going on?
I'm very excited always.
Yes.
Je vois.
Okay. So
Alors, j'y vais moi.
Mary, see you soon. So that's how we do it. I'm here with so many amazing people. This is how we do it. And I have, I'm working for something great. Hello. So thanks. Your drink is amazing.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Cathy.
Cathy.
Yes.
Cathy. You know the cat?
Katerina. Katerina avec une K.
Oh, ok. Elle n'est pas, non, le chat. En anglais, c'est cat. Cathy.
Cat. Katerina.
Katerina.
Cathy.
Okay. So happy to see you.
Thank you.
So that's what we do. So thanks for the food. Thanks for the food. We enjoy the food.
Oh yeah, the food is great.
Okay. Thank you. So you host, you are the host
Oh, halfway.
halfway. So as you know, we're working on something big. So be ready.
Oh.
And we know regarding food, we don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Tu vas nous donner beaucoup de bonnes choses à manger. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so stay tuned. Nap travail.